Hi guys, it's Mrs. Saucetta. I'm here to show you how to complete your work if you missed class for Tuesday, October the 6th. Tuesday, October the 6th, which is 10:06. So you're going to go to classwork. We're on week 8 now, and you guys only have one thing under week 8 so far. It's 10:06 live Zoom. So 10:06. Today we will learn about the monarch butterfly migration through Texas and the importance of pollinators. I have attached two video clips, a reading and summary frames. So the first thing you're going to do is watch our two videos here. This one's about a minute and 20 seconds, and this talks specifically about the monarch migration that happens in Texas. And then the second video is about where they migrate to. So they've already gone through Texas and they go to Mexico and a very specific forest where they spend the winter. And so you watch the videos. Once you're done watching those two videos, you click on the PDF. It should have your name on there. And this is about pollinators of Texas. So you'll read all about the pollinators of Texas, specifically focused on monarchs of Texas. It gives you some images to look at, how you can help, what do pollinators need, and then it gives you a nice little list of facts here. Once you've read over this, you can go ahead and complete your summary frame. So you could start with, although I know that butterflies migrate, I learned some new information about why they need pollinator gardens. I learned that blank, so you could highlight the blank line and delete it out of the way. I learned that blank. You could say I learned that and then flip back over to your reading. You could say I learned that up to 80% of all plants are pollinated by insects. I learned that 80% of all plants are pollinated mostly by insects. And so you read and then you fill out your sentence summary frames and then you combine it. And if it's underlined like that, that means you made an error, so you can fix it. And then you'll delete the spaces, delete the lines, and then you'll just be ending up with a full summary. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and turn it in. And if you have any questions or concerns, then you can comment on the assignment and I'll try to help you out.